Hello, everyone. We are going to learn about the difference between are you and do you.
Are you plus none?
Are you a doctor? Are you a singer?
Are you plus adjective?
Are you happy? Are you married?
Are you plus preposition?
Are you at home? Are you in the living room?
Are you plus verb? ing.
Are you coming? Are you running?
Do you plus verb?
Do you like broccoli? Do you go to school? Practice.
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Are you tired?
Are you tired?
Are you cold?
Are you cold?
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Are you a doctor?
Are you a doctor?
Are you excited?
Are you excited?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you tall?
Are you tall?
Are you new here?
Are you new here?
Are you a teacher?
Are you a teacher?
Are you Sam's girlfriend?
Are you Sam's girlfriend?
Are you a good cook?
Are you a good cook?
Are you nervous?
Are you nervous?
Are you sad?
Are you sad?
Are you busy?
Are you busy?
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Are you bored?
Are you bored?
Are you mad at me?
Are you mad at me?
Are you married?
Are you married?
Are you done?
Are you done?
Are you coming?
Are you coming?
Are you having fun?
Are you having fun?
Are you going home?
Are you going home?
Are you feeling better today?
Are you feeling better today?
Are you cooking?
Are you cooking?
Are you studying?
Are you studying?
Are you working?
Are you working?
Are you doing your homework?
Are you doing your homework?
Are you confused?
Are you confused?
Are you scared?
Are you scared?
Are you invited?
Are you invited?
Do you like cookies?
Do you like cookies?
Do you play tennis?
Do you play tennis?
Do you need help?
Do you need help?
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
Do you work here?
Do you work here?
Do you watch movies often?
Do you watch movies often?
Do you speak Japanese?
Do you speak Japanese?
Do you have a pet?
Do you have a pet?
Do you have a reservation?
Do you have a reservation?
Do you have the time?
Do you have the time?
Do you want some coffee?
Do you want some coffee?
Do you want to go?
Do you want to go?
Do you think it's possible?
Do you think it's possible?
Do you take vitamins every day?
Do you take vitamins every day?
Do you take credit card?
Do you take credit card?
Do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
Do you enjoy cooking?
Do you enjoy cooking?
Do you eat breakfast?
Do you eat breakfast?
Do you drink?
Do you drink?
Do you read books?
Do you read books?
Do you drive?
Do you drive?
Do you know how to swim?
Do you know how to swim?
Do you do yoga?
Do you do yoga?
Do you sing?
Do you sing?
Do you make your own breakfast?
Do you make your own breakfast?
Do you put milk in your tea?
Do you put milk in your tea?
Do you get up early on weekends?
Do you get up early on weekends?